Have you ever seen your dog chasing its tail and had no idea what was happening in its brain? Or watched your cat just blast across the room for zero reason? You are not alone. Our pets are certified weirdos. They have these insane habits that are both hilarious and impossible to understand. But what if I told you those behaviors weren't random? What if they're a secret language they've been using to talk to you this whole time? Your pet can't just tell you what it wants, so it communicates with these crazy actions. And yeah, sometimes it looks like pure chaos. But from tail chasing to sudden energy blasts, these quirks are tied to ancient instincts and massive emotions. Today, we are decoding 6 of the weirdest things your pets do. By the end of this video, you will understand your pet better than ever before. So, let's get right into it. First up, the zoomies. This is when your living room becomes a racetrack in literally 1 second. You know what I'm talking about. 1 minute your pet is sleeping, the next they are a fur missile, rocketing through your house with a wild look in their eyes. This has a scientific name, fraps, and as insane as it looks, it's a totally normal and even a very good sign. Fraps are your pet's way of releasing a gigantic amount of pent-up energy all at once. Imagine shaking a soda can and then watching it explode. For dogs, this can come from the pure, unfiltered joy of you walking in the door. One of the most common times for dog zoomies is right after a bath. It's a release of nervous energy, or just relief that the bath is finally over. Cats get zoomies too, but theirs are locked into their predator instincts. They're most active at dawn and dusk, so you'll see them go crazy right when you're trying to sleep. For a cat, even a trip to the litter box can be enough to trigger a full-blown sprint around the house. At the end of the day, zoomies are just your pet showing you pure joy or blowing off steam. They're harmless, but if they happen all the time, it might be a sign your pet needs more exercise. Most of the time, though, they're just having the time of their lives. There is nothing cuter than talking to your dog and they hit you with this curious head tilt. It melts your heart, but it's so much more than a cute reaction. It's a genius way of gathering information. When your dog tilts his head, it is focusing 100% on you, listening for words like walk, treat, or good boy. But here's the crazy part. They do it to hear and see better. A dog's ears are unbelievable, and by tilting, they can perfectly pinpoint where a sound is coming from. It's like they're fine-tuning their own satellites to get the best signal. And their vision is a huge deal too. One theory is that a dog's snout literally blocks their view of your mouth. By tilting their head, they get a clearer look at your facial expressions to match with your words. This might even be why long-snouted dogs do it more than flat-faced ones. And of course, when they tilt their head and you say, "ah," they learn that this move gets a huge reaction, so they keep doing it. But, and this is important, if your dog is holding its head to the side constantly, it could be a major medical issue like an ear infection. If you see that, you have to check with your vet. Okay, this is the creepiest one. Your pet is sitting in the room, staring at a completely blank wall. Are they seeing ghosts? Is your house haunted? Before you call for help, relax. The explanation is all about their super-powered senses. Dogs and cats have hearing and smell that is miles ahead of ours. So when it looks like they're staring at nothing, they are actually picking up on something you can't. It could be the tiny sound of a mouse in the walls, the high-frequency hum from your TV, or even dust particles dancing in a sunbeam. That intense stare is them processing all that information. Their vision is also built to see movement. They might have seen a tiny bug or a shadow that our brains just ignore. What looks like an empty corner to you is a world of action to them. However, if this happens all the time or you can't snap them out of it, it could be a sign of something much more serious. In older pets, it can be a symptom of something like dementia, and in rare cases, even a seizure. If the staring happens a lot and comes with other weird signs, a trip to the vet is a good idea. By the way, if you're finally starting to understand your pet, do me a favor and smash that like button. And if you want to become a pet expert among your friends, make sure you subscribe for more videos that crack their secret codes. If you're a dog owner, you've had this exact stomach-turning moment. You're on a nice walk, and suddenly your dog starts rolling in something absolutely disgusting, like a dead animal. Before you get sick, you need to know your dog isn't trying to be gross. They're tapping into an ancient instinct from thousands of years ago. This comes directly from their wolf ancestors, The number one theory is that it's a form of camouflage. Wolves would roll and grow stuff to mask their own scent so they could sneak up on prey. Your dog might not be hunting anymore, but that instinct is still there. Another theory is that it's a form of communication. A dog might roll in a crazy scent to bring that information back to the pack. It's like sending a scented postcard that says, "Hey, I found something insane over here." They could also just be marking it with their own scent to tell other animals to back off. Or maybe they just think it smells amazing. So while it's definitely going to mean an emergency bath, remember, your dog is literally just being a dog. Cat owners, listen up. Your cat hops on your lap and starts rhythmically pushing its paws in and out on you. This is known as kneading or making biscuits, and it is one of the biggest compliments a cat can give you. The main theory is that this comes from when they were kittens. They would knead their mom's belly to get milk, and that action is linked to feeling totally safe and comfortable. When your adult cat needs you, they're showing you they feel as safe with you as they did with their mother. It is a massive sign of love and trust. Kneading is also how they mark their territory. Cats have scent glands in their paws, and when they knead, they release their own unique scent. They are basically claiming you, saying, "This human is mine." Another reason goes back to their wild ancestors, who would knead grass to make a soft nest to sleep in. So even if the claws are a little sharp, take it as a huge compliment. Your cat is telling you they love you. And now, we're at the number one most iconic weird pet behavior, the dog chasing its own tail. A puppy discovering its tail for the first time is just playing. They just realize they have a built-in toy. For a lot of young dogs, it's just a fun way to burn off a ton of energy. For some dogs, it's a trick to get your attention. If they see that spinning in circles makes you laugh, they might start doing it on purpose just to get you to play. It can also be a huge sign of boredom. But you have to know when this goes from a funny quirk to a real problem. If the behavior becomes obsessive and you can't distract them, it could be a sign of canine compulsive disorder, which is triggered by anxiety. The spinning becomes an unhealthy habit. On top of that, it can have medical causes. Things like fleas, skin allergies, or other irritations can lead a dog to chase its tail to get relief. In rare cases, it could even be related to seizures. So if your dog's tail chasing seems frantic or you can't stop them, it's time for a vet visit, immediately. So from the wild energy of the zoomies to making biscuits, it's clear our pets' weirdest habits are not random at all. They are a rich, complex language tied to their instincts and emotions. These behaviors are their way of telling you they're happy, stressed, playful, or that they love and trust you completely. Understanding what they're saying not only solves these mysteries, but also makes the bond you share unbreakable. They might be weird, but they're our weirdos, and now you are in on their secrets. But I want to hear from you. Every pet has its own special kind of weird. What's the weirdest thing your pet does? Share your stories in the comments below. I'm going to be reading all of them. And for more videos that will help you decode your pet's world, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and go give your weird little pet a hug from me.